Welcome to today's lesson on extended multiplication facts. Today's learning target is I can solve extended multiplication facts. Before we begin, do you have your pencil and notebook? If you don't, pause this video, get them, and I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, let's get started. We begin today by searching for patterns. All right? So right here, we have a basic math fact. 9 times 6 is 54. That comes right out of reflex math. All right, now we're going to extend that math fact. All right, and I want you to watch for the patterns you can find in the zeros, both in the factors and the products. So for example, what instead of 9 times 6 is 54, what if we multiplied 90 times 6? Well, the answer would be 540. What if we multiplied 900 times 6? The answer would be 5,400. Are you noticing any patterns yet? Let's keep going. What if I multiplied 90 times 60? The answer would be 5,400 again. What if we multiplied 900 times 60? Wow, those are big numbers. Well, the answer would be 54,000. What if I multiplied 900 times... What if I multiplied 90 times 600? The answer would be 54,000 again. And what if I multiplied 900 times 600? It's a giant number. Well, the answer would be 540,000. Now, what is the pattern you noticed in the number of zeros in the factors? Those are the numbers we multiply together. And the number of zeros in the product. The product is an answer to a multiplication problem. Well, let's go back here and look at the very first example. We multiplied 90 times 6. There's 1 0 total in both factors combined, and there's 1 0 in the product. And if we take a look at the next example here, 900 times 6, well, there's 1, 2 total zeros in both factors, and there's 1, 2 total zeros in the product. Let's look at the next example. 90 times 60 is 5,400. We count 1, 2 zeros in the factors, 1, 2 zeros in the product. Do you see how the total number of zeros in the factors combined is also the number of zeros in the product to an extended multiplication problem? See, over here, look, we have 900 times 60. That's 1, 2, 3 zeros. And we have 1, 2, 3 zeros in the product. The next problem, 90 times 600. 1, 2, 3 zeros in the factors. 1, 2, 3 zeros in the product. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in the factors. 900 times 600. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in the product. So what does this teach us? Well, to solve an extended multiplication fact, first, solve the basic fact. That's 9 times 6 is 54, okay, in our last example. Then, second, add the total number of zeros in each factor and put them into your product. Let's try another one. Okay, the basic math fact here is 7 times 4 is 28. That's our reflex basic math fact. Okay, so what if we had 7 times 40? What would the product be of that extended math fact? Well, we see 1 0 in the total in both factors combined. So let's put 1 0 in our product. So 7 times 4 is 28. That's the basic math fact in step 1 that we need to solve. And then we add up the zeros, we get 1, and we add 1 to the product. So we get 280 for our final answer. Right? So how about the next problem? What if we had 7 times 400? Well, let's start by solving the basic math fact. 7 times 4 is 28. and then let's count up 1, 2, the total number of zeros in both factors combined, and add them to our product, 2,800. Let's try another one. Let's do, I don't know, what if it was 70 times 4? What would we do here? I'll meet you on the other side of this problem. Try to figure it out. All right. Did you get 280? I hope so. We have one total zero here. So we do 7 times 4 is 28. And then we put that 1 0 in our product. What if we had, let's see, 700 times 4? Well, the first thing we do is multiply the basic math fact. 7 times 4 is 28. And then we count up 1, 2, 1, 2, the total number of zeros, and add them to our product. Our final answer is 2,800. All right, let's try these. Here we go. What if we had 700 times 4? Oh, we just did that one. Oh, hold on. What if, I thought that looked familiar. What if we did 70 times 40? Let's see. We have 1, 2 total zeros. So let's go with step 1. 7 times 4 is 28. And 1, 2 zeros at the end of our product is 2,800. What if we had 700 times 40? All right. Let's pause right here. Go ahead and try to figure that out. I'll see you on the other side of this problem. All right, welcome back. Step 1, let's multiply our basic math fact. 7 times 4 is 28. And then count up 1, 2, 3 total zeros in all factors combined. 1, 2, 3. And we'll add that to our product. And we'll get 28,000 as our final answer. All right, final one. Here we go. What if we had 700 times 400? All right, let's start with multiplying our basic math fact. 7 times 4, that's 28. And then we'll count up 1, 2, 3, 4 total zeros. So we'll put in 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros in our answer, 280,000. So do you see how we multiply extended math facts? First, we solve the basic math fact. And then step 2, we add the total number of zeros in each factor and then put them into our product. All right, now, one tricky thing. Ready? What if in your basic math fact, like 5 times 4 equals 20, what if there's already a 0 in the product? Does that change anything about this rule or this pattern? It does not change anything. So let's check it out. 5 times 4 equals 20. That's our basic math fact. What if we had 5 times 40? Well, we're going to do the same thing. We're still going to multiply 5 times 4. That's our basic math fact, step 1. We're going to get 20. We'll count up the total number of zeros in both factors combined, which is 1. And we'll add that 1 0 to our answer. Our final product is 200. What if we had 50 times 40? Well, nothing changes. Step 1, multiply the basic math fact. 5 times 4 is 20. And then count up 1, 2 total zeros. And so we'll add 2 total zeros to our product. We'll get 2,000. 50 times 40 is 2,000. What if we had 500 times 40? Try that one on your own right now. I'll meet you on the other side of this problem. Okay, welcome back. Step 1, 5 times 4, the basic math fact, that's 20. And then we'll count up 1, 2, 3 total zeros. So we'll add 1, 2, 3 total zeros and put in our comma. All right, last one to try. You ready? Here we go. What if we had 5,000 times 400? Biggest one yet. I think you can do it, though. I'll meet you on the other side of this problem. All right, here we go. Same steps. 5 times 4, the basic math fact first. That's 20. And then we'll count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And that is what we add to get our final product. 5 zeros. We can't forget our commas, though. So let's start over here and count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 million. 5,000 times 400 is 2 million. All right, that is how we solve extended math facts. Okay? First, we solve the basic math fact, and then we add the total number of zeros in each factor and put them into our product. All right, let's get to work on some practice problems. Let me know if you need help.